Here we go. We have a question: split an array into two equal sum subarrays. So we have given an array of integer n. We have to return true if it is possible to split it in two subarrays without reordering the elements such that sum of the two elements are equal. If it is not possible, we have to return true or false. So we have given an array and we can easily split into two parts. One part is this and another part is this. We don't have to split the array, we just have to tell whether it is possible or not. In this case, it is not possible. So it's a pretty easy question. Let's build the approach. So we have to calculate uh, the middle point, or whether it is possible to divide into two halves or not. So first we have to know the summation. The summation is 5 plus 5, 10, 15, then 20. So I have to divide into two portions. So let's take first this test case. So we have a current pointer, initially it is 0. So if I include this, our current value is this, and we have to subtract this element from summation. From summation I have to exclude this element. So now our summation is 19. So is it equal? No, it is not equal. So let's take this element also. So include this element into current element. Till now we have a summation as 3 and exclude this element from the summation. So if I have a summation till here. So if I exclude this, I have 17. Is it equal? No, it is not equal. So let's take uh, another element. So till now we have current element as 6 and our summation is 14. It is also not equal. So let's take one another element. So till here we have 10 and on the right side we have 10. So current represent till this element and summation represent the left elements or the remaining elements. So here it is equal. So we will return true. So what I have to do? First, on first iteration, I have to calculate this summation. So after calculating the summation, I have to iterate. So include this element. So current plus equal to the current element and exclude this element from summation. Sum minus equal to I. If after including or excluding this element, our current and summation is equal, we will return true, otherwise false. So we have a sum variable. First we calculate all the elements and sum it up. Next we have current element and exclude this element from summation and include into current variable. If the values are equal, we will return true, otherwise false. That's it. Let's submit this. So let's talk about time and space complexity. In this case, time complexity is 2n, n plus n, and because we are iterating two times, and our space complexity is constant. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section, and make sure to click on the subscribe button for the algorithm. And thank you all for watching.